Question number 17. In the diagram, the mountaineer can hear the stream although he cannot see it. When he is close to the gully, he can hear and see the stream. When he is further away from the gully, he can neither hear nor see the stream. Which statement is not correct? So which one of the following statement is not correct? Option A. As he approaches the gully edge, he hears first the shorter wavelength, higher frequencies, and then the long wavelength and lower frequencies. Option B. As he approaches the gully edge, the sound becomes louder. C. He hears the stream because some of the sound is diffracted. D. He hears the stream because some of the sound is reflected from the opposite wall of the gully. So first of all, here is the diffraction, due to which sound can be heard on the other side. It means that statement C is correct. Also there is a reflection like this. The waves can be reflected, due to which the stream can be heard. As this mountaineer approaches the gully edge, the sound becomes louder because all the waves are not equal. Some has higher loudness and some has lower loudness. It means that statement B is also correct. As the mountaineer approaching the gully edge, then first of all he hear the longer wavelength and then after he hear the shorter wavelength. But in the statement A, it is reverse. It means that option A is correct from here.